Hi everybody, and today we're going to be doing some tests involving high vacuum and whether or not stuff explodes. What we have here is a vacuum chamber built from a whole bunch of ABS pipe fittings 4-inch diameter, and they're hooked up to a Harbor Freight 2.5 cubic foot per minute vacuum pump. Because I'm super lazy and I don't know how much, if any, of this is going to explode, it's all just being secured together with electrical tape and not in fact glued. My thinking being that if it explodes, I'll be able to return the unexploded pieces back to the store. Alright, so here we are with the setup. We got a vacuum pump sitting in the corner right there, and we have the vacuum test tube to see if we can achieve vacuum on this chamber. I'm going to go ahead and turn the vacuum pump on with the pole of science here and see what we get. Minimal exploding so far. So I would say we have achieved vacuum with the chamber with 0 explosions. Now let's poke it with a stick to see if it explodes. And it is poke-proof. Excellent. It looks so far as everything is intact. So there you go. So I think I've found what's generating my vacuum leak, and it's actually right around here where the fitting goes in. I just dry tapped that into some plastic thinking it would seal pretty well, but apparently the pipe thread did not. So I just wanted to run through and disassemble what I had done here between the different components, and I'm going to show you tearing it down and rebuilding it. So there you have it. All the pieces I used to make this was probably about $50 worth of parts from where I got it, just because I did not get a particularly good deal, but c'est la vie. Now comes the fun part of gluing it all together. The point of a vacuum chamber like this is you use it for modeling type materials when you want to vacuum degas them. In the process of vacuum degassing, what you want is for all the bubbles to expand under the vacuum and then come out of the mix, so that when you're done you don't end up with a whole bunch of bubbles in your part. So there you have it. In fact, you can make a vacuum chamber out of ABS pipe fittings of 4-inch diameter.